how to export a video in Premiere Pro. Okay, once you have finished your video, you'll want to export it. Now, there are two ways to go to the export section. You can simply go up here and click export, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+M or Command+M on a Mac. Now, once you're here, you can change a few things on the video before exporting it. Here you can change the file name. I'll simply leave it as clouds. Now down here, you can choose the location where your video is going to go. Simply click here and change the location if need be. Now, down here, you'll want to change the preset to Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate to get the most out of the quality of the video. And down here, to get an MP4 format, select H.264. Now, to get the best quality out of the video, go down here to Video, More, and tick these two boxes off. Render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. That way your video will be the best quality possible. Now once you're done, simply click Export and your video will start exporting. And that's how you export videos in Premiere Pro. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe.